Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about lipids, a very important part from the second chapter, biomolecules. Now what exactly lipids are? Lipids basically consist of carbon, hydrogen and a little oxygen. And as we all know that lipids are water insoluble. They cannot mix in water. And they are not polymers, but they are assembled from smaller molecules by hydration, which is removal of water molecule. Now, the basic formula for lipid is CnH2nO2. And lipids' weight do not exceed more than 800 daltons, but they remain aggregated to form vesicles. The weight is not that much, so they should be under the category of microbiomolecules, but they aggregate, they collect to form vesicles, so they form a kind of a macromolecular type of a structure, but they are not strictly macromolecules. Now let's have a classification of lipids. Lipids can be divided into three main categories: simple lipids, compound lipids or conjugated lipids, and derived lipids. So simple lipids, they can be neutral or true fats, they can be waxes, they can be ketogen. Now we'll have a discussion on the true or the neutral fats in this video. Now compound or conjugated lipids can be phospholipids, glycolipids, lipoproteins and chromolipids. So, simple lipids are the esters of fatty acids with various alcohols. We will have an example of it. The first, as you can see, is written neutral or the true fats. These are the esters of fatty acids with glycerol. Okay, and they're called as glycerides. One molecule of glycerol and 1 to 3 molecule of same or different fatty acid molecules will combine in this particular case to form neutral or the true fats. So here the structure, as you can see, is drawn as glycerol. It will have 3 carbon, and you can see there are 3 hydroxyl groups attached to each carbon. Now the second example we can see here is fatty acids carboxylic group attached to the reactive group or the R group. So here you can see that there are carbon, you have to count the number of carbons, 14, 15 and 16. So this particular structure of 16 carbon will be known as palmitic acid. This structure of 18 carbon is called as stearic acid, and the structure of 20 carbon will be called as arachidonic acid. So the basis of number of bonds, fatty acids are divided into two main categories: saturated and unsaturated. Saturated will have single bond, they will not have a double bond. For example, palmitic acid and stearic acid, 16 carbon and 18 carbon fatty acid molecule. An unsaturated fatty acid will have oleic acid, linoleic acid, linoleic acid and arachidonic acid. They will all have one or more than one double bond. The neutral fats may be monoglyceride, diglyceride or triglyceride, depending upon how many fatty acids are going to combine with the hydroxyl group. If only one fatty acid is going to attach with this particular OH, only one, it will be called as monoglyceride. If two fatty acids are going to attach with this group, they will be called as diglycerides. And if 3 fatty acid molecules are going to attach with every OH group of this glycerol, it will be called as tag or triglyceride, with the elimination of 3 water molecules. So in this video we have studied about the basic thing about the neutral fats or the true fats. The two other categories, which are like compound, waxes, ketogen, we are going to cover in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much everyone.